Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe. Today what we're going to look at is Python operators. Specifically, we're going to look at arithmetic operators. We use these operators to change the numerical values held within our variables. So Python provides us with 7 common arithmetic operators that you'll be implementing all the time. So let's open up Visual Studio Code and we're going to start coding. With arithmetic operators, let's create a couple variables. X is equal to 20. Y is equal to 30. Now, oddly enough, this is also, by the way, an operator, the equal sign that is. A single equal sign is the assignment operator. But anyways, we're working with arithmetic operators, so the first one we'll do is an addition operator. And we're just going to print out the results. We're just going to print x plus y. And in this context, because we're dealing with numbers, the plus symbol, we'll do addition, is 50. Awesome. Okay, the next one we're going to do is subtraction. So we're going to make use of a subtraction operator. Works very similar to an addition operator, except it subtracts. So print x minus y. And let's run this. And we get negative 10. 20 minus 30 is negative 10. Okay, next one. Multiplication. And multiplication, you would think, newbies would think we use an X. We don't. We use the star, so that's shift 8. And that is for doing multiplication between two variables or two numbers, two numerical data types. And you can see here we get our product of 600. Division operator. Print. And we use the forward slash between the variables, and that denotes division in Python. Run it, and there's your division. And notice here, it actually gave us a float, even though our numbers that we divided were integers. Next one, floor division. So floor division is a little bit of an odd thing. We're supplying two integers, and we use the two forward slashes. We run this, and comes out with an integer, but rounds down to the nearest whole number. So that's what floor division does. And we'll try it with 3, and you can see here we get 6. Okay, so it rounds down to the nearest integer. That's what floor division does. The next operator we're going to look at is something called the modulus operator. The modulus operator takes a number, divides it by another number, and calculates the remainder. So 30 divided by 20, the remainder is 10. And that's how we get that number. The last arithmetic operator we're going to look at is something called the exponent operator. So the exponent operator takes a number and raises it to some power. In other words, takes a number and multiplies it by itself a specified number of times. So let's write the print statement, and we'll take the value of x, space, and then 2 asterisk symbols, space, and then how many times you want the number x multiplied by itself. Let's say 3. We run this, and that's going to give us, whoop, there we go, 8,000. Perfect. So those are the basic operators that come with the base language of Python. But just to let you know, the third-party libraries have lots of functions that can perform all sorts of different calculations. Thank you again for watching the video, and we'll see you soon.